1998 GMC Sierra 1500, a regular cab short box. You just do not see a lot of these around, let alone in this condition. When I start going through some of the things in this truck and showing you, very clean, well taken care of truck. As you can see, it's riding on a little later model GM wheel. This is actually a one owner truck. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on the Carfax. Looks like original paint to me. Paint would be a Laguna blue green metallic, which was a factory color from GM back in '98. I'm going to show you this front face and just give you an idea of condition. Lots of times you'd start to see a lot of like road rock chips from the road, driving it up in this flat part on the front of these. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Lots of times you'd see this surround on the grill would start to kind of peel where the chrome is at. That is in nice shape. The chrome itself on the bumper, also in nice shape. Now, if you want to check out still pictures so you can see the underside of this truck, interior, engine bay, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And if you wanted to look through the pictures, you can see what I'm talking about. Now I'll show you some of the things I've noticed going around this truck taking the pictures. First of all, look up and down the passenger side here. Really free of any sort of door dings. You may find a little tiny one, if I even get to show up, like right there, and that's picking it apart with a fine-tooth comb. But take a look down below the fenders, above the wheel wells, and you can see the luster in the paint, the reflection. Of course, cab corners. And then I want to show you this. Look at the underside of these doors. Not rusting, original, just very clean. Same way with the interior. Lack of wear on the seats, if you will, as far as getting in and out. Seats are in great condition, carpeting great condition, dash. Truck shows 160,000. That would be original miles. I've seen trucks with a third the miles as this one that aren't in nicest shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the topper on this, rather interesting. I have pictures of how it works too. Aero cover, and it will fold. There's a couple pivot points. There's one here, and it'll open here and fold on this pivot point back here, so you can open it up, get stuff in and out of there without taking the whole thing off. It will all come off also very easily. They slide out from what I can see. If you look around over here, this cover will actually slide out from there. If you want to take it off, of course it is 4x4, and then look up and down the driver's side of this also. Just really free of much at all for nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, powered underneath the hood, 5.7 liter Vortec. It would have in a '98, and that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor. I've not had kick on, so it may need to be charged. Now SLE, this is going to be your trim level. So as far as options on the truck, that's where you get a lot of the nicer options. Power windows, power locks, mirrors, AM, FM, cassette player in this one with CD. So you have both of them on this. The SLTs were basically about as loaded as you could get without leather. Sliding rear glass window. Headliner, also in nice shape. And again, until this was stored indoors, dash is not cracked, weather checked, sun baked, anything like that. Go ahead and start it up. There's the exact miles, like I said, about 160, but man, are they some well cared for miles on this one. Again, take a look at this seat. Just lack of wear, if you will, and that's original fabric. Those are original seats. Of course, the split bench, fold down armrest, so you could get 3 people in there if you wanted to. And again, give you one more look underneath this door on the driver's side, just how clean that is. Sounds as it should. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. just the way you'd expect a 5.7 Vortec V8 engine to sound. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to give you a peek at that engine bay. All stock underneath there too. I want you to see how clean it is.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood light works. And the other thing, watch my videos before, look at that hood liner, how clean it is. It's not full of road salt or melted grime underneath there from wintertime, anything like that. That would explain why this truck is so clean. You can take a look at the underside pictures, see what I'm talking about. Other than that, just a nice stock looking engine bay for a 1998 GMC. So there you have it. Sierra 1500 regular cab short box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.